Hey, welcome to the second part of this tutorial of the basic game in Buildbox. So, so now in this tutorial, we will look at how we can change the text. So we need to change the size of this text and we need to change the color of this text. How we can do that? So that is what we are going to explore in this tutorial. Alright, so if you click at this area and if you inspect this text, you can see that it uses the default font and you cannot change the color here, right? So there is no way you can change the color. So now to do that, what you have to do is you have to go to the tools and go to the font editor. So this is where you can create your own fonts for various game elements. You can change the font color, size, gradient, etc. So let's create a new font. So let's call it game over font. Okay, so this font we will use for the game over. So here you can change the type of the font. So let's pick a good font. Impact it will look like this, Georgia. Okay, impact looks good to me. So I have selected impact font and here I can change the color. Okay, so I want this to be a little bit of towards the red spectrum, so this one. So you can see that there is a gradient, right? So this is how you, in this area you can change your gradient. If you want this to be red and yellow, you can do that. You want red and white, you can do that. Whichever combination you like, you can do that. So let me keep it as red and yellow, and I want a shadow. Okay, so I can enable the shadow by clicking here. And I'm increasing the shadow. All right. Okay, and I want the shadow to be little bit lighter. Yeah, so you can change the position of the shadow. You can change it to positive, then it comes below. So I think I will stick with this. Okay, and I will change this to. So now the same logic I can use for this button text. So it uses default font. So game over text, if I put it, doesn't look good. So let me change this to another font. So go to tools, font editor. Say maybe you can customize any of this available fonts, or you can create your own. I will create my own so that I know for what purpose I created the font. Button text. All right, and yeah, Arial is good enough, and color in orange I will keep white. Let's test this. I don't want any gradient here. Okay, and change this to button text. All right, so I think now you have got a fair idea of how you can create fonts and how you can edit fonts, right? So that is the whole idea of this tutorial. So if you go to the font editor, you can even customize any of these available fonts. So pretty much what you can change is the font default font size, and if you want to increase the padding, the space between the letters, you can use this padding. You can change this and see how the spacing increases, right? So all these things you can customize using the font editor. Thank you for watching this video. You can help us grow this channel by subscribing to our channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you.